Welcome to the future of automotive design and performance. Feast your eyes on this breathtaking machine, a hypercar that redefines speed, luxury, and innovation. Dressed in a stunning silver blue finish and sculpted like a piece of modern art, this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Front view. From the very front, you're met with an aggressive stance and aerodynamic silhouette. Sleek LED headlights slice through the body like blades, and the carbon fiber splitter down below isn't just for show. It channels air precisely to reduce drag and increase grip at high SPE. Side profile. Let's take a look at the sides. The doors open in a stunning butterfly fashion, revealing the futuristic interior within. Crafted with lightweight materials and flowing lines, every surface here has been designed with both form and function in mind. Those sharp body creases? They're not just stylish. They guide airflow to cool the engine and keep the car glued to the ground. Performance. Now, let's talk performance, and trust me, this is where it gets serious. Underneath that sleek shell is a powerhouse engine producing over 1,000 horsepower. Whether it's an advanced V8 hybrid or a full electric powertrain, this hypercar rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. Paired with a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, adaptive suspension, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, this machine delivers razor-sharp handling and relentless speed. On the track, it's a weapon. On the street, it's a rolling piece of high-speed sculpture. Interior tour. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that feels like the command center of a spaceship. A fully digital instrument cluster, a holographic HUD, and an AI-assisted infotainment system keep you connected and in control at all times. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and sculpted sport seats ensure that while the car is built for speed, it's just as luxurious and comfo. Full open view, engine bay, doors, front spoiler. With everything open, from the scissor doors to the rear engine bay, from the front trunk to the active aero spoiler, you begin to understand how meticulously engineered this vehicle truly is. Every panel, every component, every vent and curve serves a performance purpose. Unique selling points. So what sets this car apart? It's the perfect harmony of design, technology, and sheer power. It's a hypercar that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi film, drives like it's on rails, and pampers you like a luxury lounge. It's not just built to race, it's built to inspire. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of speed, innovation, and style, this hypercar checks every box. Silver blue never looked this fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more jaw-dropping supercar reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious.